Hey people, keeping by this whole, I'm keen to review and speak of things that are, that really add value. So, keeping that in mind, I have to say, yeah, among the current crop of magazines, as you can see, I have like books on either side of my bed, and I have two rooms, both with books lined all across on the in the near the walls. So with like I have a total collection of I think more than 1500 books. So and magazines also, because I feel with regard to beauty and skincare and all of that, you can learn from magazines. So no, the reason I'm saying all this is among the current crop of magazines, there's this magazine called Tulip, which I think is here. They've got the pulse of the city, the reason I'm saying all this is that sometimes we get a bit confused, right, with so many beauty products, so many magazines, things. So it helps uh, to know that one particular that one stop solution. So if you're in Hyderabad and you want to know the city, of course Wow Hyderabad is also doing a wow job, but Tulip is also, it's because Tulip is a lot like if you feel like you're reading a film fair. I mean, film fair is the ultimate benchmark, right? In magazines, film fair awards have been instituted in 1950s, I think. So I mean, Tulip is, I would say, it's in that league. It's pretty much getting there because it's a new magazine. But seriously, people, if you all are in Hyderabad and you all want to know the latest that is happening in the city, Tulip is the magazine to refer to. So, and no, this is something that I'm making from my heart. It's not like I'm been told to do it. No, it's something I genuinely feel as a reader. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.